In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve GCash login error. If you're stuck at the login screen, seeing repeated errors, or the app just won't proceed, don't worry. We're going to refresh the app session and clear temporary files so you can sign in smoothly again, and we'll do it using simple settings already on your phone. First, turn on airplane mode. This briefly pauses your mobile data and Wi-Fi so the app isn't trying to connect in the background while we reset it. Think of it as pressing pause on network activity to give the app a clean slate. Next, open your phone's settings. This is the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Inside settings, find apps. On some phones, it may be called apps and notifications, app manager, or applications. That's okay. The goal is to open the list of installed apps. Use the search bar or scroll to find GCash, then tap it to open the app info page. You should now see options related to the app's permissions, storage, and usage. Tap Force Stop. Confirm if your phone asks you to. Force Stop immediately closes the app and any background processes it's running, which is helpful if the login process is stuck or a previous session didn't close properly. It won't delete your account or personal information. It just stops the app from running right now. Now go to Storage. On some devices, this may appear as Storage and Cache. Here, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can become outdated or corrupted and often cause login glitches. This is safe to do. Cache is not your data. Avoid tapping Clear Data, as that resets the app fully and may require you to set things up again. With the cache cleared and the app fully stopped, you're ready to try again. Return to your home screen, open GCash and attempt to log in as you normally would. Make sure your usual internet connection is available so the app can verify your credentials and deliver any one-time codes you might need. If a confirmation prompt appears inside the app, proceed as you typically do. This quick sequence, pausing connectivity, force stopping the app, and clearing its cache, resolves many common login errors by removing stuck sessions and refreshing outdated temporary files. If the interface on your phone looks slightly different, don't worry. The names may vary a bit, but the steps are the same. And remember, clear cache is safe, while clear data should be used only if you intend to set up the app from scratch. That's it. Try logging in now and you should be back in.